Morning students, how are you? Yes, today we are again start our lessons. So my dear students, today I am going to teach question number 9, additions. Question number 9, addition. So here is the questions. 2x plus 3y and 3x plus y. So my dear student, in these questions you are adding two methods. One is the horizontals, another is the vertical methods. Okay, so I am going to teach the horizontal methods, that is 2x plus 3y. Instead of and you write down plus sign, and 3x plus y. So and the same way we are arrange first like terms, 2x plus 3x plus 3y plus y. So my dear students, here is these two terms are the same sign and they should be add 5x plus, and here is also the same sign and like terms, and it is sum is equal to 4y. It is our right answer. Okay, so now another questions. Question number E. Question number E. 6x plus 7y plus 8z and 3x minus 4y and minus 5z. Now here is a two expressions and you write down here solution. 6x plus 7y plus 8z plus 3x minus 4y minus 5z. First of all, arrange the like terms. 6x, its like term is here, plus 3x, and similarly plus 7y, its like term is here, minus 4y. Similarly here plus 8z minus 5z. Have you understand? Now see here, these two terms are the positive and like, so its sum is equals to 9x. And here 7y is a positive and 4y is negative. So that's why I said to you in my previous class, when the terms are the different sign, they should be the subtracted. Okay, so greatest number is equal to 7 minus 4, that remain 3y, and sign will be the greatest 7 plus 7, so that's why plus 3 is remain. And here is the difference because these two terms are the different sign, so that's why 8z minus 5z is equals to 3z is remain, that is plus, because the plus sign is the greatest. So now our required answer. And one thing you remember or not, I have again told to you, tell to you, here is 9x plus 3y plus 3z. There is sum sign is appear, but you should not sum, because the terms are the unlike. So unlike terms, I said to you, never add, never subtract. So that's why our right answer is 9x plus 3y plus 3z. So similarly, I am going to teach the question number 10. In question number 10, subtract. 10x plus 12y from 18x minus 3y. So in these questions, how to solve the problem? In subtraction, when the from is come between the two expressions, the second expressions you write down at first. 18x minus 3y is the second expression, and here should be you write the small bracket. Within small bracket you write down the second term, and different sign is appear here. Instead of from, you write down different sign, and the first term you write down within small bracket 10x plus 12y. And then what you do, we are open this bracket in front of their sign. So my dear student, here is a no any sign, so it means that this brackets in front is a positive sign, and positive sign is multiplied with this two terms and open the bracket. Okay, so when you multiply the positive multiplied by the positive sign in terms in expressions, at that time you always remember that the inside the sign is never change. Okay, so plus 18x and plus minus minus, and 3y is as is, sign is not changed. Okay, but when you multiply the negative sign to the expressions, at that time you always remember that the sign will be inside the sign, it will be changed inside the term, sign will be changed. Okay, so minus, here is the minus, here is a plus 10x. Okay, so minus into plus, plus minus minus, so 10x is as it is right, and plus minus minus plus minus 12y. So in this way you open the bracket. Did you understand? If you not understand, again I told you that plus sign is open this bracket. When the plus sign is open this bracket, at that time the inside sign will be not changed. So plus is plus 18 is appear, plus minus minus 3y is as it is right. Okay, and the minus sign, when the bracket open the bracket, at that time minus is changed, these two terms sign will be changed. Okay, minus plus minus 10x is appear here, minus plus minus, this plus sign will be changed. Okay, this sign will change, here is a minus 12y. Did you understand? So now I am going to arrange the like term. Okay, 8x and minus 10x. Did you understand? And now minus 3y is appear here, another like term is minus 12y. So my dear students, here you see here these two terms have a different sign, because the 18x means it is a positive 18x and minus 10x. So positive 18x minus 10x is equals to remain 8x. That is positive, because the positive sign is the greatest. And here these two like terms having the same sign, that's why we should not subtract, we should be added. Okay, minus sign is right here, and then 12 and 3, 15y is right answer. So in this way we solve this problem. Okay, so you need the one more. Yes, in your class 5, you are doing these subtractions like this vertically, that is 18x minus 3y, and the same way is write down 10x plus 12y. And your teacher is taught to you that lower expression sign will be changed, this plus sign is changed, minus sign, and this plus sign is changed, minus sign, and now the two similar sign appears, so it is added 15y, sign will be write down minus, because the same sign is write down as it is. Okay, and plus minus is a minus. Now these two terms difference is equals to 8x, and here this 10x, this lower expression 10x sign will be minus now. Okay, so here is the 18x is a positive, that's why positive sign is not get this, that's why 8x is a positive. So you don't show the in front of as a first terms sign. If the first term sign is a positive, you will not show. Okay, thank you. So I am going to teach another (18x plus 21y from 22x minus 3y). Question number F. So my dear students, now solution you write down the second term at first within brackets, 22x minus 3y minus 18x plus 21y. Open the brackets same way which we are doing here. Okay, so now positive sign, 22 is positive x minus 3y. The term is write down as it is because the positive sign is open this brackets, and minus sign is open this bracket, minus 18x minus plus minus 21y. And you write down here 22x minus 18x minus 3y minus 21y. And now it is the one is a positive and another is a negative terms, like, okay, so if difference is equals to 4x, that is positive because the positive sign is the greatest, and these two terms are the like terms and the sign will be the same, that's why it's added. 21 and 3 24 y, that is our right answer. So in this way you are doing the exercise 9 and 10. Okay, our next class we are finish these chapters. Thank you very much.